Okay, everyone, we're back to the Scholastic News. This one's going to be a little bit different today. There's going to be a different voice reading it, and I'm going to come back in at the end. But I thought this would be a good one because if you look around your neighborhoods, you'll probably see a lot of people with gardens. The flowers are blossoming, and of course, I've shown you in some of my own videos my own garden and my some of my fruit trees and my cherry blossom, of course. So enjoy this. Keep this video because you'll want to go back and watch it later in the week when there are some assignments that'll be connected to it. And there's one today, which I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. For now, enjoy this.
This plant stinks. Roses are red, tulips smell sweet. This giant plant stinks like old meat. This flower smells bad, and it's not the only one. Turn the page to learn about 3 gross plants. World's grossest plants. As you read, think about what helps each gross plant survive. Our world is full of incredible plants. Some of them smell wonderful. Some of them look beautiful. And some of them are just gross. We've found 3 of the world's grossest plants. Learn all about them if you dare. Stinky plant. The Rafflesia plant is big, red, bumpy, and stinky. It smells like rotten meat. That smell might sound gross to you, but not everyone feels that way. Some insects eat rotten meat. When they get a whiff of the Rafflesia, they think they're smelling a tasty meal. They crawl around on the flower to take a closer look, and they get covered in dusty pollen. The insects fly away and carry the pollen to other Rafflesia plants. The pollen helps those plants make new seeds. One day, those seeds will sprout, and more stinky Rafflesia plants will grow somewhere new. Slimy plant. Smell isn't the only gross way for plants to get what they need. Take a look at the Sierra Mix corn plant. It looks like it has gooey red fingers growing out of it. Those slime-covered things are roots. The roots of most plants grow under the ground. They soak up nutrients from the soil. Nutrients are what living things need to stay strong and healthy. But the Sierra Mix grows its roots in the air instead of the ground. Its roots are covered in a thick slime called mucus. The mucus looks disgusting, but it has an important job. The mucus pulls nutrients right out of the air. the corn plant grows strong, healthy, and gross. Toilet plant. This last plant might be the grossest one of all. It's called a pitcher plant. Pitcher plants grow in places where they can't get enough nutrients from the soil. So some pitcher plants get their nutrients in a totally disgusting way.
No way.
The pitcher plant is shaped like a big cup. Animals sit on its edge to lick sweet nectar from the plant. While the animals are resting there, they use the plant as a toilet. They poop right into the cup.
Oh, wow.
The poop is just what the pitcher plant needs. The plant breaks down the poop and gets plenty of nutrients. And the animal gets a nice bathroom break. These plants may not smell sweet. They may not look pretty. But these 3 gross plants are amazing. The things that make them gross are exactly what they need to survive. By Blair Rainsford. This is the stinky Rafflesia plant. The pollen dust is in here. This Sierra mix uses slime to get nutrients from the air. Excuse me, this tree shrew is pooping in a pitcher plant.
That is unbelievable. Wow.
World
All right, now if you've printed this out, you can look at the final page. This is this would be page 4, the back of the Scholastic News. If you haven't printed it out, it's okay. You can still do it on a piece of paper. I'm going to read this part to you and try and read with me. There's some difficult words here. At the top, Science Glossary. A glossary tells what words mean. Read the glossary below, then choose the words that mean the same as the underlined words. Okay, the first one is mucus, a thick, slimy liquid. The next one is nectar, a sweet liquid inside most flowers. Many insects drink nectar. Nutrients, things that people, animals, and plants need to stay strong and healthy. People can get nutrients from vegetables. Pollen, dust made inside flowers. Pollen helps seeds grow. Number 1, I'm not touching that plant. It's covered in a thick, slimy liquid. Hmm, what do you think the answer is? Number 2, this salad is full of things people need to stay strong and healthy. Is it mucus, nectar, or nutrients? Number 3, all this dust made inside flowers is making me sneeze. Number 4, butterflies love flowers that are full of sweet liquid. So for your answers, let's see. Number 1, a thick slimy liquid. Hopefully you said mucus. This salad is full of things. I'm looking at number 2. People need to stay strong and healthy. Hopefully you said nutrients. And the dust made inside flowers is pollen. And the sweet liquid that butterflies love from flowers is nectar. And then look at the bottom. Talk about it. Which plant from the issue do you think is grossest? Use a word from this glossary in your answer. All right, so go talk to mom or dad or whoever's around with you today. Tell them about one of these disgusting flowers and see if they know about it. But just don't poop in any plants, please. Bye, guys.